Okay, so please sit down. I will check your attendance. Ibay, Maghanoy, Top. Okay, very good. No one is absent today. So before we proceed to our next discussion, what was our last topic yesterday? Okay, yes, Maghanoy. Okay, very good. Our last topic yesterday is about types of tempo. Okay, so what does tempo? Okay, okay, Miss Ibay. Okay, very good. So the low tempo and fast tempo. So who can give me examples of low tempo? Yes, Kayon. Okay, very good. You are my sunshine is the one example of low tempo. Okay, so who can give me an example of fast tempo? Yes. Okay, very good. Ang rap ni Plucci na mga kanta, di ba, mabilis siya. So, very good. That is the one example of fast tempo. Okay, so very good because you still remember our last topic yesterday. Okay, so do you familiar with the song of Kung Ikaw Ay Masaya? Okay, very good. So ngayon, kakantahin ko ang kantang Kung Ikaw Ay Masaya. Ako muna yung maunang kakanta bago kayo, okay? So, kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka, ha ha ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka, ha ha ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo isisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, tumawa ka, ha ha ha. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo isisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumalakpak. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumadyak ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumadyak ka. Kung ikaw ay masaya, buhay mo isisigla. Kung ikaw ay masaya, pumadyak ka. Okay, very good. Okay, so ngayon, may papakita si teacher na video at gusto ko i-identify nyo ang aking ipapakita video. Ang tawag dito is who's that cartoon character, okay? So, nandito. Okay, so based on the video, what have you observed? Okay, Miss Mama Rita. Okay, very good. Mga cartoons na iba-iba yung mga tunog. Okay, so upon hearing them, how can you describe their voices? Okay, yes, Naib. Okay, very good. So yung voice nila is magka-different. May soft and loud voices. Okay, very good. So what makes them unique among each other? Okay, so Miss Gumikas. Okay, so very good. Ang sinasabi dito is yung mga cartoon ay nakakatawa. Do you familiar with the cartoons Dora? Alam nyo ba yun? Diba? So, ang Dora is example yan siya ng ating topic today. Okay, so now, before we proceed to our lesson today, this is the objectives of our lesson today. So, at the end of the lesson, 90% of students halimbawa ng loudness. Then, number 3 is ang airplane. Diba? Ang airplane is naririnig natin kahit malayo sila. So, halimbawa yun ng loudness. Sino ba dito ang nakakita na ng airplane or plane? Okay, halos lahat kayo ay nakita or narinig. Okay, so ito naman yung pang-apat na halimbawa ng loudness. Train. So, sino nakasakay na dito ng train? Okay, wala pa. Actually, walang train dito sa atin, diba? Okay, so, malakas kasi yung tunog or sounds ng train. Kaya siya naging halimbawa ng loudest sounds. And lastly, is bell. So, diba, ang bell is maingay siya. Malakas yung tunog niya. Especially dito sa school natin is may mga bell. Halimbawa, pag recess or diba nakakita na ba kayo nang nagbebenta ng ice cream? Diba may mga bell sila na ginagamit? Diba malakas narinig natin? So that is the one example of loudest sounds. Okay, so nagets ba ang loudest sounds? Ang loudest sounds is mga tunog na matataas or naririnig natin. Okay, the next one is the softness sounds. So, ito naman yung mga tunog na halimbawa nito ay ang can or meow meow, diba? Hindi siya masyadong malakas, mahinhin lang siya. So sino ba sa inyo may mga pusa sa inyo? Okay, very good. Halos lahat ay may pusa. So example yun ng softness sounds kasi mahina yung sounds niya. And the second example of softness is wind or hangin. So, hindi natin siya naririnig like yung malakas kasi mahina lang siya and soft sound siya. So, ito yung pangalawang examples ng softness. Okay, so now, let's proceed to our another activity. So, ang activity natin is igrupo kayo sa 5. So, magka-count tayo. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this group activity called sounds game. So from each group, you will choose 5 representatives to play a game. When I say an object or things that produce sounds, you will identify whether it produces loud or soft sounds. You will stand in front of the large flashcard. Anyone who makes a mistake will be eliminated, and the last one remaining will be the winner. Okay, so ulitin ko po ang gagawin natin ha. From each group, you will choose 5 representatives to play a game. When I say an object or things that produce sounds, you will identify whether it produces loud or sounds. You will stand in front of the large flashcard. Anyone who makes a mistake will be eliminated. loud sounds. Yes, Muhammad? Okay, very good. Crying is one example of loud sounds. Who can give me an examples of softness sounds? Okay, yes, talk. Okay, very good. Whine or hanging is one examples of soft sounds. So magaling. Ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng kunting pagsusuli or is. So, okay, so ang ating quiz today is loud or soft. So, direction. Look at the pictures, then put a check into the correct column. So, ulitin ko ha, ang gagawin nyo is titingnan itong titingnan nyo itong pictures. I-identify nyo kung loud or soft ba siya. So, i-check nyo kung saan ba siya dito sa loud or soft. Okay? So, meron naman kayong 5 minutes to finish it. Okay? Are you done? Okay, very good. So ngayon, sagutan natin ang ating quiz. So number 1 is, anong sagot? Okay, ang sagot ay soft. Kasi ang ulan is hindi siya malakas masyado. Soft lang siya. Then, number 2 is train. So ano siya? Loud or soft? Okay, very good. Loud. Kasi malakas at narinig natin. Then, sa pangatlo naman, cat or meow meow. Okay, very good. Soft. Then, sa pang-apat ay snake. So, soft siya. The last number is yung simoy na cafe o cafe. Is soft siya. Okay? Understand? Okay, so ngayon, bago